Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to solve Bluetooth connection problem in Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.